Hey guys, today me try understand compound interest, and me already feel brain melt. It start when caveman walk into big shiny building where people wear suits made from sky metal. Me no want trouble. Me just want safe place to keep shiny coins from last hunting season. But man behind big desk say, "Sir, have you considered compound interest?" Me say no. Me only consider if mammoth come back angry. He laugh like me tell joke. Then he say, "Your money could grow. It earns interest. And then that interest earns more interest. It's the eighth wonder of the world." Eighth wonder? Me still trying to survive first 7. So he show caveman screen with numbers moving like snake on fire. Coins become more coins and more coins, like they have baby coins, without even leaving cave. Me start panic. What dark magic this? Who put coin in bed with other coin? He say, "No magic, sir, just math." Me feel sick. Me realize, if me no learn this strange money multiplying trick, me end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, surrounded by empty mammoth jerky wrappers and regret. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. Cavemen sit by fire, try understand this idea that coin grow by sitting still. In tribe, nothing grow from sitting still, except belly. So cavemen ask again, what compound interest? Modern man say, imagine you have 100 shiny coins. Bank give you 10 coins as interest after 1 year. Now next year you don't just get 10 more, you get interest on the 110, it snowballs. Me squint. Snowball, he say, yes, it get bigger as it roll. Caveman brain explode. So me test theory, take 1 coin, put it under pillow, wait 1 moon, wake up, still 1 coin, hit self with club, try again, put coin in hole in dirt, water it, dance, wait, still 1 coin, dirty now, angry, then banker show caveman chart. He say you put coin in account, bank pay you small percent, that percent get added to total, then new total earn interest next time, and next time and next time. Me scratch head. So coin become base, interest become baby coin, then baby coin grow up, make more babies? He nod like wise elder. Exactly, that's compound interest. Cavemen finally get it. It not magic, it baby math magic. It not just about adding, it's about interest, making more interest, like planting seed and watching whole jungle grow. But cavemen still no sure why everyone treat it like sacred stone from sky. That come next. Cavemen wander village, curious why all modern tribe worship this compound thing. Everywhere me go, people talk like it golden mammoth. One man yell, "My retirement account compound 8% per year!" Cavemen whisper, "What tribe that? 8% sound dangerous." Another woman scream with joy, "My kid's college fund doubled." Cavemen ask, "You feed it miracle beans?" She laughs, say, "No, compound interest." Whole tribe light candles, dance around spreadsheets, pray to growth chart, strange ritual, very loud. Then me see one elder hold up coin jar. He say, "This jar start with just 50 coins 30 winters ago. Now me have 1,000. Crowd cheer like he kill saber-tooth with bare hands. Cavemen squint at jar. Coin clone selves, elder say, "No, me just leave them in safe place and let time do the work." Aha, that when it click. Modern people obsessed because compound interest do something rare. It work while you sleep. Cavemen think, even mammoth not work while me sleep. Mammoth just snore and fart. People love compound interest because it cheat time. It take lazy money and give it shovel. Then lazy money dig gold all day, all night. Forever. Caveman finally understand why it holy to them. It like fire, but for coins. But me also learn some people mess up this magic, big time, like caveman. Cavemen think he's smart. After hearing magic of compound interest, me go home, grab all coins from woolly mammoth skull jar, and decide, time to grow shiny treasure. But me no trust glowing bank rock. Me say, caveman do it natural way, old school, like ancestors. So me take coins, dig deep hole behind cave. Bury them like sacred potato, mark spot with stick, very serious, very proud. Then me wait 1 moon, 2 moons, 8 moons. Every full moon me sneak out, dig up treasure hole, whisper, you multiply yet? Nothing. After 2 winters, me finally dig it all up. Disaster, coins not breed, coins not grow, coins just sit there cold, rusty, sad. 1 coin even crack, me cry, then birds laugh. Even 1 squirrel judge me, hurt deep, tribe find out, call me dumb coin farmer, 1 elder give me fake award, best at growing nothing. That night, me sit in cave, stare at coins, wonder why magic no work for caveman. Then it hit me like mammoth stampede. Compound interest only work if coin is in place where interest live. Burying coin is like hiding fire and wondering why cave is cold. Me not plant in bank, me plant in dirt. Big mistake, but from big mistake come big lesson. After shame of coin buried disaster, caveman seek wisdom. Me go back to shiny rock place, find old banker with beard long as river. Me say, elder of numbers, me beg, teach caveman. He nods slow. You want the real trick? It's simple but hardest of all. Me lean in close, heart pounding. Tell caveman. He whisper, wait. Caveman blink. Wait, that all? He nod again. Compound interest is slow hunter but deadly. Like leopard in tall grass, you feed it time and it feeds you back fortune. He show caveman's strange line on paper. At first line small, then bigger, then boom, sky mountain. He say that curve is power of time. Most people quit too early. They dig up coin before magic begins. They lose jungle for 1 banana. Me stare. So more moons, more babies? Exactly. First year's growth small, but after many moons it explode. Caveman feels strange chill, like seeing fire for first time. All this time me chase fast hunt, mammoth, gold, praise. But bankers say smart ones chase slow game. They wait, they watch, then they win. Me nod slow. Lesson, if coins stay long in right place, coin grow family, not magic, just time and patience. 2 things most tribe throw away, not caveman, not anymore. After learning patience, caveman returned to tribe feeling wise. But then small child, yes child, teach caveman next trick, humbling day. Her name, Little Mira. She run lemonade stand outside cave market. Make 2 shiny coins. Me say, wow, young one, you rich now. She shake head. Nope, me buy more lemons. Me grow lemonade empire, caveman scratch beard. Wait, you no spend coin on sweets? She giggle. No silly, me put coin back into stand. Next day me make 4 coins, then 8, then 12. Caveman jaw hit dirt. She say, if you take profit and reinvest, you grow faster. Compound interest need food, profit is food. Caveman brain shiver. See caveman old way, take coins, celebrate, buy new bone necklace, maybe throw feast. But little Mira, she stack coin on coin, build money mountain. This called reinvesting. Let interest and profit make more of itself. Banker later explain, if you spend all gains, compound slows. If you reinvest, it become wild mammoth of wealth. So caveman test this. Me earn 3 coins from shiny rock investment. Me tempted to buy smoked trout, but me strong. Me put coins back in. 1 moon later, coins multiply again. Cavemen scream with joy. Me too now, lemonade tycoon. Lesson hit deep, reinvest or regret. If you spend baby coins, no more babies babies. If you feed coin family, tribe grow forever. Caveman once think, only big hunters get rich. Only tribe leaders understand compound sorcery. But third trick, destroy that myth like falling mammoth butt. It happened when caveman meet man named Tim. Tim wear shoes with no holes, eat food not burnt, look like he owns several sky chariots. Caveman ask, you born rich? Tim say, no, me start with 1 coin, 1 single coin, age 18, me invest it, me repeat, me never stop. Caveman blink hard. That all? Tim nod. Trick is not how big, trick is how early and how often. Then he show caveman something spooky, he say. If you invest 1 coin every moon, starting young, your mountain get bigger than man who invest 10 coins later in life. Caveman jaw fall into stew pot. That when cavemen see chart of early versus late start. The early guy with fewer coins always win over late guy with big stack because time is bigger than amount. So Caveman go home, grab tiny leftover coins, and start, even 1 coin, because Tim teach Caveman this: start small, but start now. Biggest danger is waiting. Most tribe wait for more. More coin, more time, better job, but coin no care. Coin only care how soon it enter magic fire of compound. Caveman final scream: small fire still cook mammoth. So yeah, even smallest coin can light biggest fire if you feed it moon after moons of mistakes, waiting, learning from child tycoon and shoeless Tim. Cavemen sit by fire and reflect. In old tribe, we think only 2 ways to get rich: hunt bigger beast or steal from rival cave, but new wisdom creep in like dawn through tree. Caveman see now, wealth is not one hunt, wealth is forest. You don't chase beast, you plant seed, water it, wait, watch it grow. Cavemen used to fear stillness, thought coin must move, scream, fight, but compound interest whisper, no, let me grow in silence. Caveman learned greatest force in world, not fire, not fang, not muscle. It time. Time plus habit plus tiny action equals tribe transformation. No matter if you dumb, like caveman. No matter if you broke, also like caveman. What matter is, you start, you stay, you feed the fire. Every coin, every moon, every reinvested baby coin become roots in money jungle. People chase fast, loud, shiny, but real rich ones, they quiet, they plant, they wait, they let interest do talking. Caveman wisdom. If you chase coin, coin run. If you train coin, coin run for you. And that, my hairy friend, is how caveman become fire starter of future wealth. Now caveman not just survive winter, caveman builds it into summer. Now moonrise high, cavemen sit by glowing fire, hold first shiny coin in palm. Not spend it, not bury it, just nod. But with time, patience, and tiny steps, it become army. Me think back to tribe days. All we do was chase, hunt, sweat, fear tomorrow. But now, cavemen got slow power, silent power. Compound interest not flashy like saber-tooth necklace, not loud like drum dance. It quiet, but strong. And me realize, most people lose not because they dumb, but because they know wait. They dig up seed too early. They eat first fruit instead of planting orchard. So final caveman thought, better 1 coin growing than 10 coins sleeping. Or as modern wise man say, he who understands compound interest earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Now caveman give you mission, go find coin. Small one, shiny, dirty, doesn't matter. Plant it, feed it, let it sit in the light of time. And one day you wake up with money forest, that better than any hunt. Now caveman ask you, smash like stone, hit magic scribe stick, and tell caveman in comments what tiny step you take today for future wealth. Me read every scroll you leave in cave. Until next firelight, remember, you no need big muscles to grow coin. You just need big patience. Ooga booga.